Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Do like and comments. Ever wondered why understanding accounting concepts is crucial? Well, buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of accounting and unravel its core concepts. Firstly, we have the business entity concept. This principle separates the business's financial information from the owner's personal details. It's like the business wears its own glasses and only sees transactions related to itself, not the owner's personal affairs. Next up, the money measurement concept. In this concept, we only record those transactions that we can express in terms of money. Think of it as the language the business speaks. If it can't be translated into money, it doesn't make it into the business's books. Then, we have the going concern concept. This concept assumes that a business will continue to operate indefinitely. It's the business's optimistic outlook, always planning for a bright future, never expecting to close down or liquidate. Following closely, the dual aspect concept comes into play. This principle states that every transaction has two effects. For instance, if a business buys a machine, it gains an asset but loses cash. It's the business's way of maintaining balance. Then there's the realization concept. This concept states that we should only record revenue when the business has completed a transaction or provided a service. It's a bit like the business's mantra: don't count your chickens before they're hatched. Finally, we have the accrual concept. This principle requires companies to record financial events when they occur, not when the cash flow happens. It's the business's way of keeping track of all its activities, regardless of when the money changes hands. In summary, we've explored the business entity concept, which separates business and personal affairs. We've understood the money measurement concept, which ensures all transactions are monetary. We've learned about the going concern concept, which assumes the business will always continue. We delved into the dual aspect concept, maintaining balance in all transactions. We've deciphered the realization concept, which only records revenue when a transaction is completed. We've grasped the accrual concept, which records financial events when they occur. Understanding these accounting concepts is like learning the language of business. It's not just about numbers and figures, it's a way of thinking and making decisions that can impact a business's future. So next time you look at a balance sheet or income statement, remember the concepts behind those numbers. You're not just looking at figures, you're reading a story, the story of a business.